Well, today, Alan, myself and Hazel are going to try out the Ravenglass and Eskdale Steam Railway. It starts right here where Hazel lives. And as you can see, dogs are most welcome. So it seems there's the engine at the front, of course, and you can sit inside a cabin or outside. As you see there, they can see outside. So we're leaving Ravenglass and we decided to take a seat inside. And all the staff here are volunteers, including the guard there telling me, well, it's going to be okay. Is it camera?
It's not.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Welcome to...
This is one of the
Ravenglass and
I'm assuming he's a
Eskdale
volunteer guard, because most of them are.
Yep.
Right? He does it for nothing. He does it because he loves the train.
I hate it. It's awful.
Yeah.
What a way to spend the day.
And now I'm going to take you to the front because you want to take a picture of the engine.
Yes.
Come on then.
Right.
It's on its way down.
Okay. You can take a picture of the engine coming. Come on. We've made a...
No posting that on YouTube. I demand full rights.
Yeah. Very big. Hey, with the camera.
It wouldn't like some children.
And here is the front. Look at that. And here. Woo. So obviously going to attach. Here he comes. Sorry. So in no time we take off and we're on the way to Eskdale. So when we arrive at Eskdale, we can check out the museum there at the end of the line, and you can have tea and some scones, although it was a long wait. G'day. The microphone's pretty good.
Alan, one British person speaking to the whole of Australia. Hello.
How you going?
Oh, thanks, Sheila.
And listen, it's so quiet.
Are we there yet?